Introducing the Chetak double-lever grease gun. It develops 7,500 psi per 517 bars. Delivers up to 0.8 grams per stroke. It comes with protective cap for hose storage when not in use, prevents contamination at the hose end. Minimal wearing parts for longer life. Comes complete with 12 inches high-pressure flexible hose with a 4-jaw coupler. Double-lever grease gun for quick and effortless high-pressure greasing applications, suitable for some screw and grease cartridges. Upgrade your workshop today with the Chetak double-lever grease gun. Trusted performance, unmatched durability. For order query, write us at export@chetaktoolsindia.com or visit www.chetaktoolsindia.com.